Hey, just wanted to shoot a quick video on this, the card reader here that we're looking at. 5 volts. It's a Hitachi Omron part number V3A-4K. There are 2 arrows here pointing down, so this may have been a wall mount. You'd slide your card. There is one sensor, and it's on this side of the reader. Just to let you know that, I think it's an important thing. Here's the back. I'll slowly 3VA-4K. Lot number, volts, 5 volts DC. I believe this case looks like it has some snaps. I don't know if this is sanctioned, but let's crack it open. Let's see. Come on, what's in here? Okay, there's the reader part of that. Okay. And then there's the pin connect. Looks like you can connect it up that way as well. So it reads on this side. They use like a ribbon wire. I'm not sure if this is going to help anyone. Let's see if I can see those numbers. Now that chip I can't see. I can't read any numbers on there. This chip in here says M5207P, if that means anything. And then it looks like the wire goes around in here, snakes around, and then goes down this hole. These appear to have some sort of mounting bracket. It looks like there's a little piece of metal in there for stability. So I guess that's how you would mount it. Okay, here's the part in here. I will put this back together. Have a good day.